Okay, what do we got going on today, YouTube? Well, this here's the 454 out of the tow truck. And as much as I would like to see it go into the square body, don't mind my awesome shop, it's not practical. The 350 that's in it is just fine. It's got tons of horsepower. I mean, for what I want. It's not no, unstoppable beast by any means, but it's got enough. And it just runs too good to take it out. So I've decided not to put this 454 in it and to sell it. So everyone knows that this 454 runs really well, but it doesn't look the greatest. But, as Puddin's Fab Shop says, chrome won't get you home, but it sure will drive up the dollar signs, if you know what I mean. So, I bought these 454 high performance chrome valve covers. And we're gonna clean this baby up and paint her Chevy engine orange. Put them on there, and she's going to be for sale. And like I said, if you haven't heard this engine run and you are interested in buying it, go check out the tow truck video of the Will It Run tow truck revival. Pretty good explanation as to how it runs in that video. I mean, it didn't even smoke. Nothing. No knocking, no lifter noise, no valve train issues. Excellent throttle response, aside from the junk quadrajet that was on it. The only issue I will point out, water pump bearing is a little loose. However, it never overheated once. It never overheated. But that water pump is not long for this world. So, gonna want to get that fixed. Well, we've certainly made some more progress on this. Getting ready to put those other valve covers on it. And, yeah, it doesn't look bad for a 100-mile-an-hour paint job. Obviously, I didn't care about the overspray on the old valve covers or the spark plugs, because they're getting replaced anyways. But just took a wire wheel to the intake and cleaned it up a little bit. And gave her a paint job. I mean, it's an engine, so it doesn't have to look too pretty. Damn, that looks pretty clean in there. Not bad. Not bad at all. I was expecting a little bit of sludge, but really nothing. It's damn clean. Nice and oiled even. Well, that sure does look nicer. My goodness. A lot better than what it was when it came out of the tow truck. I almost don't want to get rid of it now. Sure would look nice in that Chevy truck of mine. Just shows what you can do with a couple hours worth of work and cleanup. I mean, mechanically, this engine was sound, so nothing wrong there. Definitely looks a lot nicer. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Franklin Stein's Garage.